So my husband is putting this thing right here, so when we paint it, we spray paint it, it doesn't stain the mirror. So shout out to the mailman for this newspaper right here. And Zoe's over here helping us too. We're gonna make it super glittery. So we're gonna be using this silver color spray paint, and it's in the color Galaxy Silver. And then once it dries, we're gonna be applying glue, and then we're gonna be applying these glitters that I got from Walmart. And then we're gonna be using these paint brushes to do this work. So it doesn't have to look perfect. It can look kind of ugly and ghetto. So this is how it's supposed to look before you spray paint it. This is the first coat of the spray paint. It doesn't look.
It looks glittery.
It already looks glittery. So we're gonna do the second coat. So you guys can see it's starting to look, so if you guys can tell, it's looking way much more silver now. And this is up close. It's shiny too, if you guys can see that. I think this looks pretty if you don't want to add glitter. Use this little brush, and then we're using this glue. It's wood glue, and then we're just pouring that glitter into here, and that looks so pretty. I like it. Okay. Okay, and right here we're already done with one side, and this is how it's looking.
And then we need to do the other side.
I know, I still need to do the other side,
and
but
it's
it looks
dark.
Yeah, it got dark already because it gets dark early, but this is so pretty. I love it a lot. Yeah, you need to try to apply the glue good, so when you apply the glitter it sticks to it good. And then
This is so much fun.
okay guys, well, as you can see, it's already night outside and we finished.
Now I need to take my skin off.
Now we have to take this off, like all the newspaper, and then we'll show you guys the final product and how it looks. You can actually spray paint a clear spray, but since I didn't buy that, I'm gonna go buy that tomorrow in the morning, and I'm just gonna spray paint it all over with clear spray, so it can stay, you know, because I don't want no glitter falling off. Even though this glue is super good, it's meant to stick things to wood, so it's like really good. But I really like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And we did use these glitters that I was talking about. We mixed both of them together, and this was the outcome. So it can look like, you know, two type of glitters, and I really like that. You guys can use this one if you guys just want that, or this one, but I prefer mixing both so it can come out like this. I hope you guys really enjoy this, and you guys are gonna see the final product when I put it inside my room. I really really liked it, and It was super easy to do, and also it wasn't expensive at all. You can see the final product once I put it in my room. It's gonna look super cute. And thanks to Zoe because she helped me. That's my sister, my little sister. So yeah, guys. And this is the glue that I used as well, wood glue. Okay, guys. Well, this is the final product. I think it came out super gorgeous. I really like the glitter look. And I really love this. It looks super nice, and I don't know, I just really liked it. It was super easy to do. I'm gonna link down the products I use and the link so you guys can see how I got this. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys, I really like it, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this. Bye, guys.